So in this problem, it's consider the reaction 4PH3G to the products of P4G plus 6H2G. So suppose that at a particular moment during the reaction, molecular hydrogen is being formed at rate of 0.243 S. At what rate is P4 changing? So what you do here, and I already solved it for you, which is you have to find the rate first. So how you do the rate is you look at your equation at the top that it's given over here, and because you have a 4, it's going to be, so something that you have to remember is that your reactants are going to be negative as in here, and your products are going to be positive. So what you do is just, you put a 1 over the 4. So it's going to be negative 1/4 over the change of pH3 divided by the change of time, which is going to give you, now you go to your products, and this will be a positive, as you can tell. So it's going to be your change of pH4 divided by the change of T. If it would have had a 2 here, then it would have been 1/2, but because it's 1, it's just this. And then it's going to equal 1/6 as over here. It has 6. So it would be 1/6 over the change of H2 divided by the change of time. So then you go over here, and because they gave you your hydrogen, which was 0.4243 as, it's going to, you grab your formula, and so it's 0.243. And so since we're trying to find the rate of P, at the what rate is P4 changing, so what you do is just bring the 1/6 times the 0.243 that they were giving you, and so you multiply it, and that's going to give you your 0.0405 S. So then it's also asking at what rate is pH3 changing. So what you do is you bring your pH3, which is, this is the rate, be negative 1/4 times the pH3, which you're trying to find, equals the 1/6 times the 0.243, which we had already found. So what you do is just multiply it. So it will be negative 4 times 1/6 times 0.243, and your answer for the rate at which pH3 is changing, it will be negative 0.162.